In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a police report on Waze. We all know that Waze is an invaluable tool for many drivers around the world, providing real-time traffic updates, navigation guidance, and community-based alerts. Sometimes, though, we might find ourselves in a situation where we've accidentally reported a police presence on the app, or the initial report might no longer be accurate. What we aim to cover today is how you can manage such scenarios efficiently. Let's start with the basics. Suppose you have accidentally tapped the option to report a police presence and hit submit. The first thing you need to know is that you still have a chance to cancel this action before it's finalized. Look for the X or cancel button that appears right after you click submit, and by selecting this option, you can prevent the report from being sent out. However, if you've already submitted the report, please note that you can't directly undo or delete it yourself. That's an important limitation to keep in mind while using the app. Now let's discuss what happens after a report is submitted. Waze has a built-in community moderation system that relies heavily on user confirmations. Once a police report is posted, it will require additional validation from other drivers. These reports have a built-in expiration mechanism, meaning that if no other Wazers pass by to confirm it, the report will automatically expire after a predetermined time. If other users do come across the notification, but find that the police presence is no longer valid, they have the option to vote not there. This action can help speed up the removal of the report, enhancing the accuracy of information provided by Waze to its users. In summary, while there isn't a direct way for individual users to delete a report after submission, keeping your app updated and accurately reflecting real-time road conditions is a task shared by the entire Waze community. Patience and responsible reporting play a critical role in maintaining the app's overall efficacy. Stay engaged with these features, and you'll contribute to a safer and more efficient driving experience for everyone. Thank you for tuning into this guide on managing police reports on Waze. We hope these tips have provided you with a clearer understanding of how the process works. If you found this information useful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and updates on how to get the most out of your technology tools. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.